Hi grade 3, welcome to our next lesson of music this term. We're going to get straight into it and we're going to continue the last 4 lines for Renaissance rock. So the last note we had was a G that we held for 4 beats. So in your piece, you will see that G right over there for 4 beats, but starting off on this bar. However, since we already did it in that other sheet, we're going to just start off straight from bar number 29. So find where bar 29 is on your PDF sheet and we'll take it from there. Alright, so let's get straight into it. Let's read the rhythm for these last 4 lines. Make sure you remember where you have this bar over here and you have 4 written over it. That means we're going to count 4 beats 4 times. Because how many beats in a bar? 4. So we're going to count 4 bars of 4 beats. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And those are 4 bars. So let's count our rhythm. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Ta, 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 ta. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Ta 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 ti ti ta rest ta ti ti ta rest ta 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 ti ti ta rest. Alright, so notice those 3 rests over here. 1, 2, 3. And how we have these 4 rests. Now there's a funny looking F over here, and it's very important we start understanding what some of these symbols mean. So this F stands for forte, and forte in music, it's an Italian word that people use in music because the Italians did a lot when it came to writing music and putting a lot of terms that we use in current music. So forte means loud. So that means when you come back after playing these 4, after counting these 4 beats of 4, you're going to start this A with a loud, slightly loud note, okay? Alright, so let's start off in bar 29. Let's zoom into our music and let's get straight into it. Alright, so we start off with our G, A, G, C. Let's go ahead and play that. 1, go. Again. Then 2 high Ds, held for 2 beats. 3, go. Again. Let's go from here, bar 29, up until bar 30. 3, go. Let's go bar 31. We have the exact same pattern, except this 3rd and 4th note is going to be a high D instead of a C. So G, A, G, D, and then we hold that C for 4 beats. So let's go from bar 31. 3, go. Again from bar 31. 3, go. Let's go from bar 29 up until bar 32, up until this whole line. 1, 2. Alright, good. Let's keep going to our bar number 33. So what we have is the exact same pattern we had in bar 29, our G, A, G, C, 2 high Ds. So no problem, let's go ahead and play it. 1, 2, 3, let's go. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we come in with our A to our C. And so let's play this before we get to that bar. So A, C, slightly loud because of that forte on that A note. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Again, go. Then we take it up to bar number 40, 2 Ds, and then hold that 3rd D for 2 beats. 3, go. Put bar 39 and bar 40 together. Slightly loud on that first A. 3, go. All right, let's keep on going. Let's go from... All right, let's keep on going. Let's take it up to bar number 41. We have our C, D, C, G. Let's go for that. 1, 2, 3, go. Now let's take it from bar 39 up until where that breath mark is. 2, 3, go. All right, let's see if we can go from bar 29 all the way up until this breath mark over here. So remember, we're gonna count those 4 beats. Let's go from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, so I kept on going. Why? Because it's pretty straightforward that we're repeating the same pattern over and over again. So right over here, we have our D, D, D. The same thing we had over here. D, D, D. Then now we're going to change the rhythm a bit. Now we're going to go C, 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 rest. So ta, ti, ti, ta, rest. So let's try it from these 3 high Ds up until here. 3, go. Rest. Rest. So these 2 bars are exactly the same. C, 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 rest. C, 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 rest. Let's go again from these 3 high Ds up until this rest over here. 3, go. Rest. Rest. All right, so I just played that bar. We have a C, D, G, G. Not too hard. Let's go for it. 3, go. Again. And let's just finish it off. We have our C, G, G, C. Rest. Let's go for it. 3, go. Rest. Again, that last bar. Rest. Let's put the last 2 bars together. So C, D, G, G, C, G, G, C, rest. 3, go. Rest. Let's take it from this last line, from this C all the way to the end. 3, go. Rest. 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 Let's take it from when we come back in bar 39, from here all the way to the end over there. 1, 2, 3, go. All right, let's try now the whole piece and we're gonna count those 4 bars. So let's go straight for it. 1, 2, 3, go. right, so those are the last 4 bars, but now let's try put the whole piece together. All right, grade 3s, now we're gonna put this whole piece together. This is a crazy setup, but this is a good way to get used to reading your music. We have a lot of notes here, so make sure you've practiced it a few times. I'm gonna do it once nice and slow, then once at a normal speed, okay? So let's zoom in and let's get straight into it. So let's not forget the 2 areas where we count for 4 bars, right in the beginning and then right over here in bar number 35 to 38. So let's get straight into it. Hope you're ready. 1, 2, 3, count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, let's go. Let's go. Right, one more time, now at a normal speed. 1, 2, this is speed. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, let's go. Let's go. Alright, grade 3, so that is our entire Renaissance rock. Definitely the longest piece we've ever done, which is awesome. and it gives us a chance to make sure we're reading and following with the notes so that we can be able to play it excellently, okay? So make sure you take your time practicing this, and I will see you next week for our instructions on what to do for our final assessment. Happy practicing, grade 3s.